Hello, my name is Radu and I graduated in 28 July. I'm working here for 1 month and 1 week. Since I started the first day, I'm totally amazed. I'm feeling exactly the same as I felt at Northcoders from the first day. On the first day at Northcoders, I remember my mind was blown, but I was amazed by everything, the team, the content that we were learning, and the same is in here, is like continuing what I started with Northcoders. When I first started learning JavaScript with Northcoders, I didn't learn only a language, but I learned more how to think in programming, how to solve problems. It's not about the language, it's about how we think to solve a problem. Now when I'm coding in Ruby, only the syntax is different, but the mindset that I have is the same. So I feel that I was already prepared. I'm doing exactly what I love to do. I'm developing my skills in different programming languages. All the time I'm challenged to solve problems. So it's more than amazing. It's like a dream come true, and dream is better than what you actually dreamed about in the first. After the day when I had presentation of my project, I was already applied for a couple of jobs. So after my presentation, next working day, which was Monday after Friday, I got the interview, and on Tuesday I received the phone call that I was accepted and I received an offer, and that's it. Very easy and very fast.